Life is too short. Be grateful to those who treat you well, and forgive those who don't with a smile. If you want to achieve great success in life, never fear small losses. Love creates hope, hope creates faith, and faith leads you closer to God. Search for a sincere friend like a patient searches for a cure. To win someone over, all our qualities may fall short, but to lose someone, just one flaw is enough. Success only favors hard work. It never bows to anyone based on their appearance. Even if someone hangs your character in the marketplace, remain at peace, for honor and disgrace are only in Allah's hands. Mere verbal repentance is the act of liars. True repentance from the heart never requires repetition. The most beautiful part of a human's body is the heart, and if it's not pure, even a glowing face is of no use. If you desire something wholeheartedly, work hard for it until you achieve it. The one who brings morning after night and coolness after heat is the same Lord who will bring joy after sorrow and ease after every difficulty. Water purifies the body, tears purify the heart, knowledge purifies the mind, and love purifies the soul. To succeed, you must believe in your hard work. Luck is tested in games of chance. A person opens their mouth to speak, but their upbringing speaks through their elders. Do not ignore the wounds on your heart. Instead, feel them, for it is through these wounds that light enters your soul.